Yeah.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. This is Hero and I'm selling the wedding stuff for this YouTube channel, guys. So if it's your first time to my YouTube channels, guys, so please subscribe my YouTube channel for more wedding stuff, guys. You will be fine for this YouTube channel special prices and sometime the normal prices. So today, guys, I got it square table for 4 people and you can using for 2 people. And if you want to contact to me, guys, you can just follow me for Instagram. You can contact to me, I'll reply to you. Anything you want to contact, you can just contact to me only for Instagram. So right now I got the square table with the legs. This is the legs, guys. This one you can using, this is the legs, is 4 piece coming down and 4 pieces coming for top. So this one Ahmad little bit showing 4 piece you will be using for down, guys, and 4 piece you will be using here. And after you can put it atop the glass table. Then glass table you can using for 4 people, you can using for 2. It's different for you how many people you can use it. So I'm just bring it now to the table. This is the square table, guys. You're gonna put it 1 chair here, 1 here, and 1 here, 1 here. You can using for 4 people easy. And after you can using for the tablecloth, any type tablecloth you can using. Some people you just using runners, but I'm like to you can using the tablecloth. So I like this tablecloth. A lot of people also you like this table. It's a beautiful. It's just a stripe. You can. I got also this material runners be available. So after you can using centerpiece, guys. If you want to put here. And you can using 1 under plate here, 1 here, and 1 here, 1 here. So I don't have right under plate. Sorry, I will just so you can also using to Mr. and Mrs. So just using like here and here. Yeah. So if you like this one, you can using that. I hope you just using the under plate, guys. 1 here, and you can put it 1 here and 1 here. So you can just using for 4 chairs. So this is the square table, guys, and it's the beautiful, guys, this table. And I hope you will be also like this table. If you like, please give it a big thumbs up for this video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I will be see you to next video also.
Take me where you go when the sun goes down, like a lightning bolt. We won't make a sound out in the dark where no one sees us. The electricity